let's enter the observatory and give a tour. There's the pier. This is the 8-inch Orion astrograph on homemade mount, homemade cradle. Everything's homemade pretty much except for the Orion astrograph. I've got a LUT guide scope on it, and then there's the focuser for the astrograph. I've added a lever here for fine focus, and the mount itself, completely homemade. Did all the machining myself. The Buyer's StarMaster drive, which is the best there ever was. This is the new addition. It's a right ascension setting circle, and it had to be 3D printed in 4 pieces, then assembled. You can see the clips all the way around that hold it to the gear, and that means it's driven, so it always keeps time when the telescope is tracking. The pointer, I just put the pointer on just now, and you can see the pointer can be used to read it. And then let's go around the side here. That's the new declination circle we just put on about a month ago. Been working on the Bright Ascension. The entire drive system for the declination is for tracking, and it has a tangent drive. You can see how the mechanism works here. You drive it back and forth and it pulls the clamp that's on the shaft itself. Let's go around to the pointer. Here's the declination pointer. I've got it attached to the side of the deck head, and you can see it gives a pretty good thing. I put a little red piece in there so it makes a nice accurate point. So here's this side. I got the window open so you can get some light in here. There's your shaft there. It's chromed in an automobile bumper shop. And that's pretty much it. The electronics attached to the pier, which is concrete and is 9 feet tall and goes down to bedrock. And then my ladder, and then observing table with some lights. You can see the crank that we open the roof with. It's a 1-ton winch. There's actually 2 of them. You can see the other one over there. You crank a little bit on each side and the roof rolls open. The roof itself is a scissor truss. See if I can give you a view what scissor truss looks like. See how they cross? They form a truss mechanism. And it's covered with galvanized sheet metal. All right, that's the tour, and hopefully it'll be clear tonight.